guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can search for video effects on CapCut PC. So as you can see from like past video tutorials that I have on this channel, a lot of people keep like asking, where is this video effect? Where's this video effect? And like I can't find it for you like one by one. So what you can do now is actually you can search up effects, so you don't have to ask anymore. I mean, it's not like I'm like super bothered, but you know, like the tool is there, so like why not use it? So go to effects here, and as you can see, there is the search for effects tab, and here is where you can now search for effects. A lot of people have been asking where the vertical blur went. And if you just type in vertical blur, it's going to be there. As you can see, there it's going to be at the top option that they have. They're also going to give you some like options with the word blur in it and vertical, I guess. But that's where you can find any video effects that you want and you've been like trying to find. So just update your app and now you can search for video effects, and I'm glad that they have this feature now, so it's so much easier to find stuff. I hope they have it in the future for stickers, but like I feel like that's too much to like for me to like ask. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!